don't you just hate it when your internet just goes off and like you were going to go on like your awesome sites and you were gonna like check out like I was gonna go on Vidview, my favorite uh it's kind of piece of shit, but it's kind of in the top like 20 or 30 of my favorite websites. But I was gonna go in and see what's up. I haven't really been that much around. But unfortunately, I do not have internet right now. So so that's a no go. Um, but it's okay because this is actually a how-to episode. That's right. I don't know if you read the title. I think you might have read the title. Maybe you just click blindly. I don't know why you would do that. Just like share blindly. That's how you get viruses and stuff. But yeah. Anyway, welcome to how to today I'm gonna show you what to do when you don't have internet and like how to have fun without internet. There you go. That's the title. I just came up with that. I can come up with stuff on the spot. I'm such a clever guy. uh, um. Anyway, so step one. Okay, so actually no, I don't have any steps. Actually, you know what? I don't even know what I'm gonna do in this episode. I guess we're gonna. I guess I'll figure it out. I guess. Okay. So what are some things you can do without internet? You could download the. No, wait. Then you need the internet for that. You could like text your friend and no wait hold up, but you can no wait you need internet for that as well. You could watch videos. You could watch if you have. Okay, so before you okay, so this is a tip number one before you do anything. Tip number one: download like your favorite videos before your internet goes down. Okay, that's tip number one. Like here's like I actually was fortunate enough to save my favorite one of my favorite videos called "Fat Man Dies Than Before." It's a very graphic video, so just be warned. He dies there because he's big and fat and stupid, and yeah. But I got. There's like a homeless guy. There's a hobo with torn jeans on the right. Let me watch that again. That's a good video. I would say I would upload this video. I would send this video to you guys, but I have internet right now, so you can't do that. Okay, so that's no. I don't want to watch this fat man again. Okay, so step number two or tip number two, I guess you could just I mean you have this is your computer, right? I'm assuming you're using your computer. You didn't break in anywhere. You didn't steal anything. You're not using because that's like theft, and I do not let it be known. Me, I don't. Larry, funny user guy doesn't condone any theft at all. I think, unless actually, okay, never mind. But yeah, you could play the games you got already. Like I have a couple of games here. I have Warcraft free. We can play that. No wait. I'm not. I'm gonna do a game review. Play review. Fuck, it was called. God fucking damn it! I've been all over for so long. I don't even remember my own names. Fuck. So I'm gonna cover these two this Frozen Foreign and Free. I'm gonna cover these in a player review, so I'm not gonna do that. We could Nah, I believe I'm gonna cover that. Uh, God damn it. Okay, so I'm not gonna play any of these games. That I'm gonna I guess I have a GNOME game. Yeah. So I have this game. I hope it's recording right now still. So it's like a and it's like a it's a GNOME game. Uh, and you basically so you have this stick and you have a ball and you can yeah it's a pretty cool game, right? It's a pretty cool game that you can play. You can download it for free. Oh no, wait, you have to download. You have need for internet for that. Okay, so you probably don't have this. Never mind. Okay, Charlie, no, I'm not fucking stealing my money. God damn. What's fucking? I don't have internet, motherfucker. Stop trying to. God damn, you need internet for fucking everything. Jesus Christ. Okay, so you can play games. At least you can play games you don't have installed already. Okay. Let's yeah, let's snoop around my computer. Maybe we'll find something. Is there a game folder? Game folder. Fucking shit. No, games. There you go, games. Okay. Free sale. Okay, what is this? Okay. Okay, it doesn't. Oh no, new game. Okay. Okay. Oh, what the fuck? That move is not allowed. What move? Is this like? It's fucking cards. Move? What is this fucking chess? It's a fucking card game. You don't move. This fucking game pisses me off. Whatever. There's better games on here. Checkers. We can play. Play. Unable to connect game server. Oh, you need internet for this. Well, okay. Internet. It's all fucking internet. Why is it? Why these? Like these are like card games and checkers, and these are like you need to play online. And Bagamon, like Pokemon or some shit, some stupid fucking Gamagon fucking Bakugan shit. You can play internet Bakugan, or some shit like that, and I can't play it because you need internet, and I don't have fucking internet. God fucking. Oh, you can play Minesweeper. Oh, stupid fucking boxes. You click on stupid ass, dumb ass piece of shit boxes that have fucking stupid numbers on them, and sometimes you explode, and that's it. This is the entire game. Like, see, like you can't fucking. Okay, so oh, you can do pinball. Oh shit, it's 3D pinball. Okay, so we have like 3D graphics. Okay, yeah, I remember playing this. Oh yeah. Okay. So you have you okay. So oh okay. I pressed something. Okay. What? My computer just beeped. My computer beeped again. Okay. Whatever. Fuck pinball. Pinball is for fucking losers anyway. Okay. So that sucks. So all the games like that are like on your computer by default, they all suck. So let's explore around. You know, if a fun part of not having any internet is looking through, because if you like me, you download like a lot of stuff, like for example, like you download like important stuff, like this, like important stuff. And you might have a lot that you don't even realize you have on your computer. So sometimes it's good to do that, like anyway, like when you have internet, to like if you don't have any, if you have like a cool game and you don't have any internet, you could use that. You could okay, I have like 106 gigabytes of free space. I could probably get more if I cleaned it. So let's explore around. Actually, you know what? Firstly, okay, you go to documents, right? Because documents, this is where you do all your important business and stuff. So you have a lot of like, yeah, like I have. This is where I all my videos go to, basically. So like you have all my play review, like you have the Slender Guy play review here. And
Screen
it's
getting all fucky.
yeah, it's a very very good video. You should watch that. Yeah, and all my files that I need for my important work. Yeah, it's also like a virus here. I don't know what the hell this. If you see like something like this thing, I guess no, this is like a virus. Like delete that. Okay, there you go. Now it's off my computer. So there's a you know something you see the cool flag on my in a tree my receipt files. What the fuck? What is that? Oh, that's what that is. What else do I got here? Let's look at my pictures. I have some probably like awesome like picture. Like here's like a Max Payne. This is like an awesome wallpaper. I'm gonna have to use that for Max Payne 2. What okay, I don't know what that is. Here's like an awesome like album cover I found on the internet. I don't know who the boys are, but they I think it's a album cover at least, because it's like all those like gangsta rap has like there's like this parental thing black box on them on the cover. So I'm guessing I'm guessing that's like this is like a rap album or something probably. Where do I have this? This is from my World of Warcraft play review, and it's like it's like it's like one of those like top 10 pictures taken before a disaster. It's kind of what this is. I don't know why I have that. I don't know how that got here. There's also like sample pictures that comes with like Windows, so you could like you could use them as wallpapers, I guess, if you don't have your awesome gamer wallpapers already. Okay, what this? Oh shit! Okay, I wasn't supposed to show that one. Ignore that one. Well, I guess that's it. I guess that's all you can do on when you don't have internet. I guess. I think. So that's. I hope that was useful. I hope you found a lot of you found it informational. I hope it helped you. Um, I don't know how you're gonna watch this without internet. Actually, no. No. You're gonna watch this video. You're gonna after you watch it like once or twice or 3 times, depending on how good your memory is, you'll remember these tips, these tricks, these tips, these instructional steps on what to do when you don't have internet. Like basically you have to like prepare to not have internet. You have to prepare for it like it's D-Day, and yeah, I guess wait, how am I gonna upload this video? I don't have internet.